If you're a professional writer or you just love writing, I want you to come closer, have a brief discussion with you guys. A little bit closer. Now that's okay. Now I want to ask, from a writer to a writer, why haven't you been making money from your writing skill? I mean, don't you know you can be enjoying your writing skills and then still be making money off it? Well, I know you might be ignorant of how you can make money from your writing skill, but in today's video, after watching this video from the beginning to the end, and you still don't know how to make money from your writing skill, then you definitely have a problem, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a website where you can write and earn money. And one thing I love so much about this website I'm about to share with you guys in this video is that all of these websites are legit. All of them are legit and none of them is scam. So before I get started in sharing with you all these websites and mobile application, first of all, I would like to welcome you all to my channel once again. And if you know, as you guys know, I do give away in all of my videos, and in this video I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. So for you to be part of this giveaway, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end, and in the end I will tell you the next thing you're going to do to get this giveaway. So before we get started, please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe, and that's it. So let's get right away to the video. So the first platform on our list is the Vocal Media platform. So the Vocal Media platform is a platform where writers and authors come to write articles on different topics they are interested in. They don't just write these articles for free, they write these articles to earn money. So as you can see, it is very clear on their website. So different authors and writers like the Vocal Media platform because of how easy it is for you to write articles and earn money from their platform. So for you to become a member of this website, all you need to do is very simple and clear. Just click on the join link located in the top right corner of the website. So once you are there, this is where you're going to redirect you to. So once you've gotten to this page, the next thing you're going to do is to choose a particular method to sign up. So I'm going to be using my Google account to sign up. So I'm going to be choosing sign up with Google. So once I choose it, this is where it's going to take me to. I'm going to be choosing one of my Gmail account to sign up. So I've successfully signed up to the website. So you can see the message left for me on top of this website to go and verify my email. So I'm going to do that later. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys on this website is the most important feature of this website, which is the wallet. You can see that right there. So I'm going to be clicking on the wallet right from the menu. So this is the part I'm talking about. So this part is very important to every writer and everybody who wish to earn money from this website. So as you can see, there are two boxes right here. So one is where you publish your story before you can earn money. The other box is a payment method where you can connect and then get your payment once you reach the payment threshold. So the payment threshold before you can earn money from this website is $35. So you can earn as much as you can think of. So all you need to do is to keep publishing on this website for you to earn. So for you to publish your first story or article on this website, all you need to do is to click on the button create a story. So once you click on it, this is where it's going to take you to. And these are the submission guidelines you need to follow for you to publish an article successfully on this website. So once you read it thoroughly before publishing your first article on the website. So once you've done reading it, all you need to do is to click on I understand and agree, and then click on start creating. So once you click on the start creating, just know that you're about to create your first post. So this is where you're going to be uploading the article that you just created. So I'm going to be uploading an article that I've written some days ago. So right now, this is the title of the article. And then I'm also going to be putting subtitle here and then uploading a particular image and then putting the article, the body of the article where it's supposed to be. So I'm going to first upload the body of the article right now. So this is it. Let me just copy and paste. So this is the article. I've uploaded it already. So this is the article. It's a love story kind of article. So you can go there and read it. I'm going to be leaving the link below the description box. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload a picture, a particular picture there. So this is just a random picture on my phone that I'm going to be uploading. So once I'm done uploading it, which I'm already done, the next thing I'm going to do is to put the subtitle. So I'm going to put my love story as the subtitle, because the story is all about, it's a short story about love in school. So once I'm done with it, the next thing I'm going to do is to check everything first. So once I'm done checking everything, I will click on save changes. So once I'm done saving changes, the next thing is just for me to upload it, submit it for review. Because everything you're going to be publishing on this website, you're going to be submitting it for review. So before I submit it for review, I'm going to be putting some tag for the novel. Or the novel is a love humor, so I'm going to be choosing humor and then comic relief as my tag. So I will click on publish after everything. So once I click on publish, this is what I'm going to be seeing on the website. So I will wait for them to review and accept my article. So after a few minutes of reviewing my article, this is the email they sent to me. Congrats, your story has been published. Thank you for contributing to vocal community. So once someone reads this article, I will get paid. So this is how simple it is on this platform. So the next platform on our list is the Freelance Mom. So Freelance Mom is another great website for writers and publishers alike. So this platform is very easy and simple to use. So this is a submission guideline for you to submit an article. It's very simple. You can still go to their website and read it because I have no time. I'm not going to be reading it. So this is how much they pay. They pay as high as $100 for each article and as low as $75 for article that you write on their website. They can even give you bonus as high as $150 if your article ranks on the top of the most shared article on their website. So these are the steps you can take to submit articles on this website, and that is how simple it is for you to upload and make money from this platform. So the next platform on our list is called Have View from Home platform. So Have View from Home platform is another platform that welcomes writers and contributors to publish on their website. So this is their submission guideline as you are seeing on the screen right there. So you need to follow this guideline for you to successfully submit your article on this website. Now coming to their payment pattern is quite different from the others. Payments are based on unique page views that are recorded for 30 days after the posts were published. So you need to wait for 30 days before your money will be sent to you. So the amount they're going to be sending to you is dependent on how many page views your content was able to accumulate. So if your content was able to make up to 0 to 999 views, you're going to be paid. So if your content was also able to make up to 1000 to 1999 views, they're going to be paying you $20, and then the list keep going on and on just like that until where it stops, which is on the 4K view margin, which is equal to $100. Now for you to publish anything on this platform, any article, please make sure to follow their guideline. Their guideline is very simple. They will also going to be giving you tips on how you can write great article on their website, which is also simple and clear. So scrolling down a little bit, this is how you can write great article on this particular platform for you to get views and then get money in turn. So follow this guideline they've sent to you, and then you will write great article and then publish it here. So that is all you need to know about this particular platform. And lastly, make sure you don't copy other people's content. All your content should be originally written by you, and that's all you need to know about this particular platform. So the next platform on our list is the Barefoot platform. So the Barefoot platform is a magazine publishing platform that gives authors and writers the chance to publish their write-ups and articles on their website. So this website is one of the websites that pays writers handsomely. So they pay as high as $300 for each article you write and as low as $100. So this is how good they pay writers in their platform. So one of the things you need to know about this platform is that articles are not sent directly to the website. Articles are first sent directly to their email. Then they will look at the article, review it very well, and then send you a feedback if they are going to accept this article or not. Once your article has been reviewed by them and then accepted, they are going to be sending you an email to tell you that your article has been accepted. And that's all you need to know about this particular website. Every other thing you need to know about this website can be found in their official website with the link I'm going to be dropping in the description box below. So thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are just coming across it for the first time. So thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.